Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to our third Nurani Qaida practice exercise. If this is your first time with us, a very warm welcome to you. I am so glad that you will be joining us, inshallah. Before we continue, I would like to remind each and every one of you that we are all different. And we all learn at a different pace. So if you are a fast learner, you are welcome to skip ahead. And if you are battling a bit, then please don't be hard on yourself. I have been an extremely slow learner my entire life, and I still am. But just continue to try and continue to practice, and you will get there, inshallah. Anyhow, I am super excited to begin, so let us start right away. We will be continuing from where we left off in the last exercise, so we will be doing the next two lines, inshallah, which is from here up until here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kaf, Sad, Za, Qaf, Dhu, Ba, Ya, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim. I'm going to go over that again. Kaf, Sad, Za, Qaf, Dhu, Ba, Ya, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, and Jim. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing our third Nurani Qaida practice exercise. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, inshallah. Love and salams.